Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, October 10th. Finally seeing some sunshine out there this morning, although temperatures are remaining rather chilly. We do anticipate temperatures to get to near 70 degrees this afternoon. Winds should stay below wind advisory criteria, only seeing about a 30% chance of seeing some brief gusts to that 25 knot mark. And then we are going to return to some more cloudier conditions once again as we go into tomorrow. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have some weak high pressure building into the mid-Atlantic. Off to the east, we are seeing that low that we've been talking about all week really start to deepen a little bit just to the southeast of New England there. Tomorrow, that low is going to move a little bit farther back west. That will help to increase some moisture across the region once again, also helping to give us a return of more overcast conditions with low ceilings expected once again. No chance of rain, though, and we might see some slightly breezy winds once again tomorrow, as well as that pressure gradient tightens just a bit. Briefly talking about our upper level winds today, seeing those winds from the north of the surface, just above the surface, remaining northerly, running around 20 knots all the way up through 9,000 feet. Then we're seeing those winds shift slowly more northwesterly than westerly between 12,000 and 25,000 feet, running between 25 and 30 knots at those upper levels. Seeing a freezing level this morning just below 12,000 feet as of 8 a.m. Take a look at our satellite here. We do have some more abundant cloudiness still across the Tidewater and extreme southern portions of the Delmarva, but across the central and northern portions we are seeing a good amount of sunshine, just a little bit of this band of cloudiness that's starting to drop down from the south, but otherwise going to be remaining partly cloudy throughout the day for the most part. So with those northerly winds, that'll help to keep things chilly. It does look like temperatures are going to be just around 70 degrees, give or take, as we go into this afternoon. Mostly in part just for the sunshine, but we will see those temperatures knock back down tomorrow as we'll see persistent cloudiness once again as we go in late into tonight. Taking a look at our forecast for today, expect a high near 71 degrees. Temperatures have been struggling this morning, so we'll be lucky if we get even to there. We'll see those winds increase just a little bit from the north as we go towards late morning hours into the afternoon, 11 to 16 knots and gusty, and that northerly wind should persist through the overnight hours around 9 to 14 knots, increasing a little bit still from the north by mid-morning Friday, with a low tomorrow morning expected of 54 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just seeing a few lingering clouds near 1,500 feet and scattered clouds near 4,500. That deck between 4,000 and 5,000 feet will be scattered or broken throughout much of the working hours today. That low cloudiness near 1,500 should dissipate as we get towards the mid-afternoon hours. Then tonight we're going to start to see clouds increase once again after midnight, seeing a few clouds near 1,500 and then becoming overcast to 4,000, and then those ceilings will continue to lower just a little bit by the time we get into sunrise Friday morning. Still seeing some very high tides out there as we have a little bit of a surge from that strong low that's well east of the area, and that's helping to make tides about 2 feet above normal. We are under a coastal flood advisory through 1 a.m. tonight, and then after that we are under a coastal flood watch, so we could be seeing that advisory upgraded to a warning by the time we get into tonight and tomorrow. As you can see here on our tide charts, we are going to be seeing the maximum of these tides go up over the next several days, so expecting the highest of the tides to start tomorrow, and with the biggest impacts expected during the daily high tide periods. And this is Wachapreague and Ocean City is going to really start to ramp up as well as we go over the next few days, so expect some higher tides and some possible low-level coastal flooding for the next couple of days here. Taking a quick look at our extended outlook for the next few days on our GFS model, there's that low as of this morning swirling off of New England there. It's going to continue to remain fairly stationary. Like I mentioned, it is going to start to jog a little bit to the west as we go into tonight, and that'll help to increase cloudiness once again for tomorrow across the Wallops region. And then tomorrow it will start to weaken a bit and move back towards the east. And so into Saturday, we'll get some high pressure briefly building in. That's going to make for actually a very beautiful day across the area Saturday under partly cloudy skies, and we'll see some much weaker winds and very seasonable temperatures. So Saturday is looking like a very pleasant fall day out there. As we move into Sunday, we're going to get this front starting to approach the area. It does look like it's going to really weaken and not have a whole lot of moisture to work with as it approaches the area. But we will be seeing it will give us a little bit of some offshore flow, and that'll help to increase our temperatures a few degrees for Sunday. Now, it does look like models are starting to come into agreement that this stationary front is going to pick up a little bit of upper level energy and some moisture, giving us a chance of some scattered showers, mainly for Sunday afternoon and into Sunday night, and possibly lingering into Monday morning. And then finally that front will move east of the area by late Monday morning, and we'll start to see some good high pressure building in for at least Tuesday. That'll give us some pleasant conditions on Tuesday, with another weather system expected to impact the region the middle of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we're going to be seeing partly sunny skies today with a high of 71. Tomorrow's going to be cooler due to that persistent cloudiness and slightly breezy as well. High only expected to get up into the mid-60s. On Saturday, we are going to see that weak area of high pressure build in, make it for a beautiful Saturday in a partly cloudy skies with a high of 72 degrees. Sunday, we're going to see that front approach the area and kind of stall out over the Carolinas, and then pick up a little bit of moisture as we go mainly into the afternoon Sunday, giving us about a 30% chance of scattered showers. As we move into Sunday night, perhaps a little bit of a higher chance. The best chance of showers will be across the southern half of the Delmarva as we go late Sunday into Sunday night. Monday could still be seeing just a slight chance of those isolated showers lingering through the mid-morning hours, and then that front does look like it'll move east of the area. We will be seeing those temperatures fairly seasonable in the mid to lower 70s as we go through Sunday through Wednesday. Tuesday, we're going to be seeing some high pressure briefly build into the area, giving us a very beautiful day under partly cloudy skies with a high of 73. And then Wednesday, looks like we're going to get a stronger system start to move through the mid-Atlantic, giving us the chance of some scattered showers throughout the day Wednesday, still looking at highs in the lower 70s. And it looks like Wednesday will be our first chance to get some really good rain in a while, but we'll have to keep an eye on that as we move over the next several days. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.